Equations day 2, we're going to begin with page 12. If you want to have your book open, whether it's on your lap or not. And I am going to do several odds with you just so that you feel comfortable. Starting with number 21. Number 21. And the instructions for this whole thing is solve over this domain. It's 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, I'm shortening the instruction. You could read it yourself. And 21 is the first one I'm going to do. 8 times a number is 32. What's the number? 8. And I'm copying it if you don't want to. Is 32. What is the number? 8 times a number is 32. What's the number? Lee, what do you think would be an acceptable expression, equation that would indicate that sentence? Say again? Nope, not the answer.
Oh.
And 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times a number is 32. How would I express that using a variable?
8 times n.
8n.
Equals 32.
She is exactly right. That is an absolutely perfect. If you use x, use x. If you want to use y, use y. I don't care. And if you had the blue book with me last year, which is most of you, you're thinking to yourself, this is really a pain in the rump. But we're utilizing this so that later you're able to do more things. Okay, you need to learn how to think this way for other adventures. So the list of numbers they give us is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And we're going to plug those in as our variables. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Because those are the values that they've told us are going to get multiplied by the 8. Okay? Does 8 times 0 equal 32? False. Does 8 times 2 equal 32? False. Does 8 times 4 equal 32? There's your true. Grab the white pass. Okay. Does 8 times 6 equal 32? Nope. Neither does 8 times 8. Okay, so the pattern you're going to be following continues to look like this. We're going to do the next one. 23. Again, continuing to use the domain that they've given up here. That domain, the list of numbers that they want us to test. You can see them in your book because I know I just slid up. Here's what it says. A number divided by 4 is 2. What's the number? See, I'm kind of cheating. A number divided by 4 is 2. What's the number? So Eli, what do you think would be a good variable equation that would indicate this scenario? A number, what would you say for a number? X, Q, Y, Z, pick a letter. Good. Divided by 2, how would you indicate that using symbols and numbers? Yep, but we're not using that anymore. We're using division bar. Because once you're in algebra, they stop doing that. They don't draw that symbol very much. So you're going to see this. You won't see a division symbol anymore. A number divided by 2 is 4. How about 4 is 2? How would I indicate is 2, Eli? Equals Good, equals 2, he's right. He has just given us our equation. Is it true or false if we fill in the values for x that they've given us? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And these values are all going to fit in the numerator because that's where the division occurs, in the numerator. So it's 0 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. 0 divided by 4 is 2, true or false, class? 2 divided by 4 is 2, true or false? 4 divided by 4 is 2. Yep. 6 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. True. We've identified our truth, which is the variable 8. Okay? 8 is correct. I'm going to flip over because I know I wrote super big. And we're going to do number 25. This is the toughest one in the group. Okay? This is the toughest one in the group. So here we go. Number 25 says, 3 more than what? Twice a number is 7. Jay, I'm going to bug you on this one. Three more than twice a number is 7. What's the number? Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here's my little thingy. All right, Jay, what is your equation going to be?
2n plus 3 equals 7.
What? Yeah! 2n plus 3 equals 7. Here's the 3 more than, in case you didn't see it. 3 more than what? Twice a number. Twice a number is 7. And there's your is 7 right there. He chose n for his variable. We're going to use that. And we're going to do our trues and our falses. So 2 times 0, 2 times 2, 4, 6, and 8. All right. 2 times 0 plus 3 is 7, true or false? Yep.
Hunter Shack to the office, please.
2 times 2 plus 3 is 7, true or false? True. Which means the rest of these, because it's simply filling in numbers, 8 plus 3, no. 12 plus 3, no. 16 plus 3, no. All right, you have found your truth. Okay? There's your truth. Just to kind of give you a really quick snapshot, the number 28, if you look in your book, it simply gives you the equation and lets you plug in all those numbers. Now here's the stinky part. Solve over the domain 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy cow, that is 10 different times you got to plug it in. Okay, let me explain that after I click stop.